So Whissel Widget of the Week. This is the segment of the show where we talk to you about things that we use on a daily, weekly, monthly basis that make our lives easier, make our stuff better, and that we want to share with you. We do not get paid for these, but it's something we want to share with you that we like. Mike, I'm going to let you go first because I forgot what mine was.
Okay. So my widget of the week is Zoom, video conference calling. It's something we use in our huddles every morning. It's something that within the Tom Ferry ecosystem that we're a part of, it's how we do our coaching calls. It's how we do a lot of our mastermind calls with agents that are all over the nation. And there's something that really connects you when it's not just a phone call. When I can see your face, and I can see that what I said made you wince, and I'm like, ooh, why did you wince? Tell me more about that. And you can see the impact of the conversation, and you just get to connect with people on more of a personal level rather than just a phone call. And that's my widget of the week.
And I love it for using it for my masterminds because I find I'm a lot more focused when I am held accountable for being on the call. When you're in a conversation, it's a lot harder to be on your phone rather than we're just chatting. I can do stuff on the computer.
You can also screen share through it,
yes,
which I love because if we're all in this big, massive mastermind and I'm telling you about this thing that I'm using or this thing that I'm doing, well, that's way different than if I'm like, all right, look, this is what I'm doing, and I can show you on your screen what I'm looking at. Yeah, it's so much more powerful.
Excellent. Mine is a device that I have for my home that not only helps with security, but helps with kind of my peace of mind of knowing what's going on with my house. This is great for you to own personally and also as a fantastic client gift.
Oh, closing gift? Yeah.
I love.
This is money.
I thought it was cool. I got it and I absolutely love it. It's my Ring video doorbell. So with my doorbell, we just moved to a new house. We bought the house. We put the doorbell in. Amazon said, hey, your stuff got delivered. It's like, no one came to my door. So then we got to meet the neighbors and figure out where our stuff went. But I love this personally. I get to see if someone's coming to my door. I have it set up to my Amazon device. I don't want to say the name so that way it doesn't trigger if you're listening to this next to it. To where I have it where I can see who's at my doorbell through there. I can see it through my phone. I know when people are coming and going. We just had a birthday party for my niece the other day, and we were in the backyard. I knew when people got to the front door, so I can go to the front door and talk to them.
Right.
So I love my Ring video doorbell. My trial subscription just ended, so I'm going to pay for it now. I think it's like $3 a month or it's $5 a month to keep the visibility going forward.
100% worth it.
So great. So that is my widget of the week. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this week's episode of the Whissel Way podcast. Join us on thewhisselway.com to get way more information than just this one podcast. Mike, thank you so much for joining me for these episodes. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to have you on more, not only here, but also on our YouTube channel.
Awesome. If there's anything that you guys would like to learn more about or have questions about, please comment below. Love to hear your feedback. We're literally doing this just to help you guys out. So let us know how we can help.
And also send me your credit card number. Thank you so much.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.